Alright, talking about how did you learn English, do you have any story on how to start learning English? I want to give several tips or tricks how to learn English, right? First, before that, I want to share my story and start learning English time. At the time I started learning English during 9 time, I can't speak English at the time, but everywhere. I went to go to the coffee shop, cafeteria, port, beach, anything but everywhere. I bring in dictionary in my bag, English like conversation at the time, and then books, but I write down every single vocabulary at the time. During 9 time, I can't speak English well, but during 10 time, many people probably not studying, but I started learning English at the time. Studying alum came down, Eric from Boston, Pennsylvania, Mississippi, Texas, anything about that from United States. At the time, NGO, non-governmental organization, still existing in Aceh before they moved on from Aceh. So, since 2010 at the time, I can't speak, and then, I want to speak in banda, but I didn't take a lot of money from them. Just dinner, lunch, and breakfast. That's it. A little bit of money for gasoline, for gas, for my motorbike. Then soaking around banda at the time, bring that guy. I don't take the money, just improve my English. At a time, then 9 and then 10 at a time, start learning English. I use American accent. Since 2010, and then 40 at a time, I use American accent. After 2014 until now, I started learning Redneck accent because I do love learning many accents worldwide, and some from the United States. So how did you start learning English? First, memorizing conversation. This is the most important thing. Second, doing English club. The most important thing, how to improve English, increase your English, anything about that. Because different accent, different your friend, different vocabulary. Your friend, mastering new vocabulary. I myself, new vocabulary. Yourself, can new vocabulary. So you're on the table. So the last, practice makes perfect. I mean, without practice, nothing. After you memorizing vocabulary, after you listening music, and then watching English movie, and then met a foreigner from United States or United Kingdom, and then after this one more time, you don't have to learn accent. And speaking is understand each other. That's it. Your partner, must understand what you say about the English. That's speaking. So one more time, if you want to start learning English, you have to both mix about English, United States, or in United Kingdom, American accent or with accent. Whatever you have to take that, it's okay. So the more important nowadays, speak English, the most very totally awesome, very totally important. I never get bored now to say it again when my voice from this and the day, not only people, but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. So one more time, I don't have to force you to have to learn English. You have to, learn English. So here, we still exist HPI English Club. I invite a lot of people who want to learn English. I invite a lot of people who want to increase their English. I invite a lot of people who want, even though those people can't speak English, don't worry about that. That's sit tight here, listen every single participant to speak English. That's it for free. Alright, that's my time. My speaker. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Redneck.